Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm Meenakshi and today in this video I'll tell you how you can make instant 5 minutes modak at home. First of all, happy Ganesh Chaturthi to everyone. Hope you enjoy this festival. So let's quickly start with the ingredients. I have taken 1 pack of Oreo biscuits here. 15 almonds I have taken. Homemade peanut butter. You can even take amul yellow butter or desi ghee if you do not have, else you can make it at home. I'll give you the link in the description box, and sugar is optional. Now take a mixer grinder and transfer your Oreo biscuits. You need to crush them with hand and then transfer in your mixer grinder. Then you can add almonds here and 1/4 teaspoon sugar. This is totally optional. So as you can see, it has turned into a powdery form, so you have to make it like this. So now just transfer in your bowl. These modaks are so easy and quick to make and you would definitely love them. So now what you have to do is just add 1 tablespoon of peanut butter to it. If you do not have peanut butter at home, you can add amul yellow butter or even the desi ghee, 1 teaspoon to it. So I would recommend that you add peanut butter only because it add the unique flavor to your modaks. So now just mash it with the hands, so like I am doing here. So you can take even more if you want. So mash the peanut butter properly so that it mix well with the powdered Oreo biscuits. So after it is done, you just need to add 1 teaspoon milk only. Very little amount of milk you have to add to make a firm dough. You do not have to make the thin batter. The batter should be very thick, like it is of roti. So the dough should be very firm. So the firm round dough is ready here, as you can see. Now take a small portion from the dough, make a round ball with the help of fingers, and take out the shape of the modak from this ball. And now to give the shape, you need to take a spoon and slightly give cuts on the border, on the edges of it, and then press a bit to give a perfect modak shape. So in this way you can make the modak from the rest of the dough also. So your quick instant modaks are ready. So let me taste this. It tastes absolutely amazing, guys. Actually you get a blast of flavors. The combination of peanut butter and the Oreo biscuits is amazing. So you must try this once. And yes, one thing I would like to say is that do not add extra sugar in it because it already tastes much sweeter because of the combination of peanut butter and the Oreo biscuits. Rest, it's the must try dish for you all. So hope you guys like this dish. Do try this once at home and let me know in the comment section how it turned out for you. Till then, take care. Bye.